How to add another account on your Snapchat. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to have multiple accounts on your Snapchat application. So first thing, you're currently logged into your Snapchat account. So what you can do is go ahead and log out to the current account that you have. Once you're logged out, what you can do here to add another account is to click on switch account. When you go to switch account, you will be inputting the username of the other account that you will be adding, or you can also use the email address of that account that you created and also type in the password. Once you click on login, you'll have your account here, another account for your Snapchat application. For you to make sure that there are multiple accounts on this Snapchat, you can go ahead and log out and make sure that you save your login information and then go ahead and proceed with logging out. And there you have it. You already have two accounts on your Snapchat application. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.